Hello everyone, welcome to the Yarn Bowl. Today in this video we are going to see another beautiful earring crochet pattern. As usual, I have made this earring with fine crochet thread. It's a size 8 thread. You can get them from Etsy or online. Come on, let's see how to crochet this beautiful earring. The written pattern of this beautiful earring is available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. You can check my website for many other free fun patterns. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So for this earring, I'll be using these two pearl cotton crochet thread in size 8 and 1.25 millimeter crochet hook. We are going to start off with green color thread, and I'm going to make a magic ring. This will be a round one. Work a magic ring, and in that magic ring we are going to chain one. This chain one is not going to be taken as a stitch. We don't count this as a stitch. And then we'll work a single crochet, chain one, and again single crochet, chain one. We are going to work a total of 8 single crochet and chain one around, and then we will work a slip stitch on top of our starting single crochet to close this round one. So at the end of round one we will have 8 single crochet with in between 8 chain one spaces. So go ahead, work round one, and once that is done, tighten the magic ring and then work a slip stitch on top of the starting single crochet. So now we are going to change the yarn color to the thread color to pink, and then work chain 3, and then we forgot to tighten the magic ring centered, otherwise it's gonna unravel. So we are going to work that now. Just join these two colors, and once after doing that we'll tighten the magic ring center also. We have to do that. So we are going to work a chain 3 with pink color thread, and then in the chain 1 space of the previous round, so we have chain 1 spaces in between, right? So in the chain 1 space we are going to work 2 double crochet. So the idea is, in every chain 1 space of the previous round we are going to work 3 double crochet. So our starting chain 3 is considered as our first double crochet. So I guess I didn't tighten the magic ring and secure it with the knot. So I'm going to secure the magic ring with the knot now, which I didn't. And then once after that I'm going to work 3 double crochet on each chain 1 space of the previous round. So go ahead, work 3 double crochet on every chain 1 space of the previous round, and then once that is done, work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 3 to close this round 2. So go ahead, work round 2. I'll meet you at the end of round 2. So now I'm going to work a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 3 to close this round 2. So we are not going to change our thread color, so we are still going to work with this the variegated pink thread. So I'm going to proceed with round 3. For round 3 I'm going to work a chain 1. This chain 1 does not count as a stitch, and then I'm going to work one single crochet on the same stitch. And after that I'm going to work a chain 3, and then I will be working one double crochet each on the next 4 stitches of the previous round. So I'm going to work one double crochet each on the next 4 stitches of the previous round. And after that I'm going to again work a chain 3, and then I will be working one single crochet each on the next 2 stitches. So we're going to repeat this 3 more times. So I'm going to work a chain 3, and then I will work one double crochet each on next 4 stitches, and then once again I will work a chain 3, and then I will work one single crochet each on the next 2 stitches. So I'm going to work one double crochet each on next 4 stitches. Then after that I will work a chain 3, and then work one double crochet each on the next 2 stitches. So you're going to repeat this 2 more times. Work chain 3, work one double crochet each on next 4 stitches, and then chain 3, one single crochet each on next 2 stitches, and then work 2 more times and then stop before the last stitch. So I have worked my last chain 3. So this is the last stitch. I'm going to work one single crochet on that, and then I will work a slip stitch on our starting single crochet. So with this our round 3 is now complete. So now we need to change your thread color once again to green. It's totally up to you. If you don't want to work in different colors, you can work this earring pattern in a single color as well. So it's up to you. You can use any color thread you want. So now after changing the color to green, I'm going to work a chain 1. This chain 1 does not count as a stitch, and then I will work one single crochet on the same stitch, and then I will work chain 4. So go ahead, work chain 4, and then work one single crochet on the second double crochet of the 4 double crochet sets that we have worked on round 3. So work one single crochet on the second double crochet, and then work chain 3, and then work one single crochet on the next double crochet. So this is the third double crochet. I'm going to work one single crochet on that, and then once again work chain 4, and after that work one single crochet on top of the next single crochet of the previous round, and after that work a chain 3, and then work one single crochet on top of the next single crochet of the previous round. We're going to work one single crochet on top of the next single crochet of the previous round. Then once again work chain 4. So we're going to repeat this all over again. We're going to work one single crochet on top of the second double crochet of the previous round, chain 3, and then one single crochet on top of the third double crochet of the previous round, chain 4, and then one single crochet on top of the single crochet of the previous round, chain 3, 1 single crochet on top of the next single crochet of the previous round, and then we're going to repeat this 2 more times and then stop before the last stitch. And then once you've worked the last chain 4, work 1 single crochet on the single crochet of the previous round, which is the last stitch, and then work a chain 3 and then work a slip stitch on top of the starting single crochet to close this round 4. So now after this you can fasten off and weave all the ends and cut off the extra thread. So this is how it looks. Just go ahead, fasten off, weave the ends and cut off all the extra threads you have. So that's your earring pattern. So I've weaved in all my ends and I've cut off the extra threads, and this is how it looks. It looks a kind of wobbly as always, and like as we do in our earrings, I'm gonna stiffen it with 1 part glue and 1 part water, and the detailed instruction was given in the previous earring tutorial video, which I have updated in the description box. You can check it for stiffening instruction. And this is our earring after it has been stiffened. It's not wobbly anymore. Now I'm gonna just sew in a pearl in the center. This is totally optional. You can avoid it if you don't want to add this pearl to your earring. So I'm just gonna sew it using a sewing needle. After that I'm gonna cut that thread as well. And that's it. Your cute blossom earrings is ready. You can totally play around with the color options. You can use any 2 colors, or you can work this earring with a single color. It's totally up to you. Now I'm gonna fix the fish hooks or earring hooks to the earrings. I'm just gonna pick up one end of the earring, and then I'm going to add the fish hooks to it. So that's it. Your earring is now ready. So I've made one more for the pair of earrings. So I've worked the same pattern in other color option as well. So you can just play around with any color options for this earring. It just turns out to be wonderful. I hope you enjoyed this earring tutorial with me. Please try this at home and let me know your comments. The written pattern of this earring is available in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. So please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.